Right guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new about here, thanks for joining me. Happy New Year to everybody, by the way. Today it's a Saturday, we're out wild camping, so I'm up in Stirlingshire in Scotland, just past the Campfire Fells. It's a place called Fintry. So yeah, we're getting a woodland camp, it's a group camp. In fact, better watch it, it's a Widowmaker right across the road. But yeah, just hiking in, meet the rest of the guys. Left it a bit late today, I was feeling a bit sick. But yeah, I've still got an hour and a half of light left, so I should have time to do some things, set up the tent, I'll show you the kit I've got, and do a bit of exploring around the area. Right, I'll see you in a bit. This is beautiful in here, the hills in the background. There's a lot of forest around here, a lot of deep forest. I think over in that direction the forest goes on for some miles, so yeah, something to explore for another day. Right, I need to hurry up or else I'm going to lose the light. In my excitement to get to camp, I just went about 10 minutes past it, so 10 minutes back uphill again to get to the point. I'll bring you back. Always something, always something. Doing this dodgy path into the woods. I better watch I don't go flying with this backpack on. Oh shit. The sort of day I'm having, I probably will. So tune in if you want to laugh me falling down here. You can see the lights going on the camera. Where are you? Almost. Right, everybody in the camp shouting me. Must be close. Where are you? You can hear the waterfalls. Oh, stunning. There's everybody down at the camp. I'll bring you back when I get to the camp. Alright guys, that's me eventually set up. Very rocky ground here. I'm actually right beside a waterfall, so yeah, I've got a Wild Country Zephyros one with me today. It's a bit small, it's a bit pokey, but yeah, it's lightweight, so it's easy to bring in. Plus it's quite waterproof, windproof, thanks about 10,000 hydrostatic head and all that. So yeah, just going to get my sleep system sorted out. Look what I've got. Brand new thermarest neoair xlite. Somebody actually gave me this and it was faulty. But thermarest do a lifetime guarantee, so I emailed them, they said send it, we'll repair it. Jackpot, they sent me a brand new one back, so whoever sent me the thermarest, thanks very much, you know how you are, cheers. So yeah, also I'm going to try out the tiny pump. The tiny pump, this was sent to me with Colin Outdoor Gear Essentials. Check his shop out, it's quite good, so yeah, I'm going to use this to inflate the thermarest. I think it's 2 presses on the button. Yeah. Right guys, I'll show you the sleeping system. The usual British Army bivvy bag. Inside we've got a Van Gogh Cadet 250. That's good down to 2 degrees. So only might get 7 degrees tonight. Underneath, I have the thermarest Neo xlite. under that, roll mat and foil. It says it shouldn't be that cold tonight, but yeah, gusts are 50 mile an hour apparently, and rain probably coming, so it's a bit pokey in here, bit of a coffin tent, but yeah, it's light. I'm going to try and get that stopped for sagging, but yeah, I'm going to get a campfire started soon. Right guys, the temperature has dropped to about 4 or 5 degrees, so time to get the party started, time to get the fire on. As usual, the bushcrafty stuff, it's a blowtorch. There you go, no messing about, nice and easy. Fire started. Right.
Saw beauty in the selflessness again.
It's that time guys, it's that time.
Heard sorrow in the songs of 1,000 merchantmen, singing just to fill their emptiness. New wisdom was a choice of the moment, there for you to be now and not just to become. I put myself down just by looking up. I felt love from the caring of a woman. I felt the loss of a fallen child underneath the sun. On the day I woke, the soulless one. I could with my heart open, without the fear of pain that may find its way in. And if it did, I'd do the same all again. A witness flow of poetry in the ocean.
Good morning guys. Yeah, had a brilliant night last night. Running campfire, a few friends. Just needed to get out of the house. Sometimes you just need to get out, and it's beautiful up here, Stirlingshire in Scotland. And people who watch your channel know I like waterfalls, and behind me is one of the most impressive waterfalls I've seen in a long time. Loup Fintry waterfalls. It's beautiful up here. But yeah, just needed to get out. Really enjoyed it. So yeah, going to head home after my tea. Also, I've set up a Facebook group. It's called Wild Camping on a Budget. Basically, I've set up this group page to help and advise people who want to get out camping, get outside, explore nature, but can't afford all the camping gear. So basically, I've set up this group, help and advise people like sort of budget gear. Doesn't need to cost a fortune. How we get out, starting camping. Also, sort of set up a sister page. It's called Wild Camping on a Budget. Wild Camping on a Budget, selling freebies. Basically, people who can't no longer want to use, they can put it on it, and it'll go to good use. Somebody who really wants to go out camping but might not be able to afford it, or like selling at a low price. Anyway guys, I'm going to sit here for a wee while longer, take a walk down the waterfalls, enjoy the waterfalls, and yeah, I'll catch you in the next one. If you don't mind, usual, like and subscribe. See you in the next one guys, thanks. As always guys, leave no trace.